We'll guide you through how to remove component in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop to begin the process. Once the Start menu is open, use the search bar to search for Google Chrome. When the application appears in the search results, click it to open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. After Chrome has launched, click inside the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results that appear, go to the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before continuing, make sure you're logged into your Figma account so that all of your projects and design files are accessible. After confirming that you are signed in, select one of your recent projects from a dashboard. The edit page of your project will then open, allowing you to view and modify the design. Next, locate and choose the layer where you want to remove the component properties. Before making any changes, duplicate the selected layer by pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This creates a copy of a layer while preserving the original version in case you need it later. After duplicating the layer, move the duplicated layer to a different position so you can easily distinguish it from the original instance. With the duplicated layer selected, hover your cursor over to the Design tab on the right side of the interface. In this panel, look for the More Actions option, which is represented by a 3 dots icon. Click the 3 dots icon to open the Available Actions menu. From the list of options that appears, select Detach Instance. This action removes the connection between the duplicated layer and its original component. Once the detachment process is complete, the layer you duplicated is no longer a component instance. As a result, you can freely move, edit, or modify any of the elements inside it without affecting the original component. This method is useful when you need greater design flexibility.